Hello students, welcome back to the Smart Box. We will be watching our indices chapter of class 7 today. This is the part 2 of our video. In part 1 we have done the multiplication of the indices power. Okay, now we will be doing division. Okay, the difference between division and multiplication is very simple. That in multiplication we just add the index, and in division we just subtract it, nothing else. Okay, if you see that it's written over here as 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 2, so we have to just subtract the index and write 6 raised to 2 itself. Okay, if it is here, it is written as minus 2 raised to 5 divided by minus 2 raised to 3. Okay, we don't have to change the base, we have to keep it same as it is, and we have to just subtract 5 minus 3, that is minus 2 raised to 2. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so let's start directly our practice set. That is very easy. Here it is written as simplify and not find the value of, so we have to just simplify it. Okay, here it is written as a raised to 6 divided by a raised to 4. So we will be just writing a raised to 6 minus 4, that is nothing but a raised to 2. That's it. Okay, let's do the second one. Here it is m raised to 5 divided by m raised to 8. Okay, m raised to 8. Okay, so here we will be writing m raised to 5 minus 8. Okay, so what is 5 minus 8? 5 minus 8 is 3, but minus 3 because 8 is the bigger number, greater number over here, and it is having a minus sign over here, so it is minus 3. Next, third one is p raised to 3 divided by p raised to 13. Okay, always remember, you don't have to write such as your p raised to 13 is a bigger number, so you will write it first and write p raised to 3 afterward. That's not a possibility over here. You have to write the first number first and second number afterwards only. So we will be writing here p raised to minus 10 because my 13 is a greater number and it is having a subtraction sign, that is minus sign. Okay, now fourth one is 10 x raised to 10 divided by x raised to 10. So here we know that it will be like this, 10 minus 10, that is x raised to 0. Okay, x raised to 0 will be your answer. That's it. Okay, now the second question in our practice set is find the value. Okay, so you have to find the value, that is minus 7 raised to 12 divided by minus 7 raised to 12. Okay, so we know that minus 7 raised to 12 minus 12 is minus 7 raised to 1. Okay, sorry, 0. Okay, बट वी नो दैट एनीथिंग रेज टू ज़ीरो, अगर किसी के भी इंडेक्स में ज़ीरो आ गया, चाहे वो कोई भी नंबर हो, देन इट बिकम्स 1. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ फर्स्ट वन. नाउ सेकेंड वन इज़ लाइक दिस, 7 raised to 5 divided by 7 raised to 3. Okay, so what we will be doing, we will be subtracting the index first. This will be 7 raised to 2, that means 7 multiplied by 7, that is 49 itself. Okay, now let's see the third one. 4 upon 5 raised to 3 divided by 4 upon 5 raised to 2. Okay, so here we will be writing it as 4 upon 5 raised to 3 minus 2, that is 4 upon 5 raised to 1. 4 upon 5 raised to 1 is nothing but 4 upon 5 itself. Okay, so this will be your answer. Now this will be your fourth question. What is it? 7 raised to 5 divided by 7 raised to 7 raised to 7 minus 5, 7 raised to 2, 4 multiplied by 4, that is 60. That's it. Okay, this finishes our practice set. Now our second question is a raised to m raised to n. Okay, this is something new we have to study over here. Okay, what we have to do, these two index should be getting multiplied by each other. Okay, so here what is it? 5 raised to 2 raised to 3. Okay, so we just have to multiply this. 5 will be as it is. Okay, we have to multiply 2 with 3, 5 raised to 6. That's it, this is over. Okay, now if you all can see that this is 7 raised to minus 2, 7 raised to minus 5, 5 2s will be 10. Okay, and minus minus will be plus, so 7 raised to 10 will be your answer over here. Okay, let's start with practice set 29. It is very easy, only simplify we have to do, we don't have to find any values. Okay, so here it is written as 15 upon 12 cube raised to 4. Okay, we just have to multiply these. Okay, 15 upon 12, so this is 15 upon 12 raised to 12. That's it, this is your first answer. Okay, now next is what? Next is 3 raised to 4 minus 2. We just have to multiply these two numbers, 3 raised to minus 8. That's it. Okay, 3 raised to minus 8, you all can write it. Okay, now let's do this one, third one. Okay, 1 upon 7 raised to minus 3 the whole raised to 4. Okay, so here it will be 1 upon 7 multiply by minus 3 multiply by 4, that will give us 1 upon 7 raised to minus 12. Okay, these three sum I have done for you all. Always remember that you just have to multiply the index, that's it, nothing else you have to do. And you have to keep in mind the sign. If it is minus plus, then it will be minus. If it's both minus, it will be plus, and if it's both plus, if it will be plus itself. Okay, because you all are multiplying the index. Now let's do the further of our practice set 29, that is write the following number using positive indices. This is a very important thing which you have to learn today, is how to write in the positive index. Here it is written as minus 2. Okay, but we don't want minus, we want plus. So what we will be doing, this is our base. Okay, this is our base, 2 upon 7 raised to minus 2, it is written over here. So what we will be doing, we will be just inverting the number. Okay, 2 upon 7 को हम क्या लिखेंगे, 7 upon 2 लिख देंगे. ओके, उल्टा कर देंगे उसको, और जब उसको उल्टा कर देंगे हम, तो ये जो माइनस 2 है ये क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस 2. ओके, सेम गोज फॉर यर ऑल्सो. 11 upon 3 raised to minus 5 can be written as what, 3 upon 11 raised to 5. That's it. नेक्स्ट इज 1 अपॉन 6. ओके, रेज टू माइनस 3, तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 6 अपॉन 1. 6 अपॉन 1, और एल्स यू कैन जस्ट राइट 6. ओके, दिस इज वाई रेज टू माइनस 4. नाउ व्हाट टू डू, वाई रेज टू माइनस 4 है, तो वाई रेज टू 4 कैन बी, वाई कैन बी रिटन एज 1 अपॉन वाई. इसको हमने उल्टा कर दिया और फिर इंडेक्स को पॉजिटिव कर दिया. ओके, this was positive index. Now the last exercise which we have to do is nothing but finding the square root of the following. ठीक है, by factors method. Now what you have to do, you have learned this in the previous standard, that how to find factors of the given number. You just have to find it. You have to remember that you always have to start with the smallest number. Okay, you just have to start with the smallest number and not with the greater number. If you go for a greater number, or if you skip any number, your answer will be coming obviously wrong. Okay, so let's start with the first practice set 30 का first sum start करते हैं, that is 625. We have to find the factors of 625 first. We know that 625 is not divisible by 2. Okay, because the last number is not a even number, so it is not divisible by 2, we know that. So we will be checking it if it is divisible by 3. Okay, we have a trick for it. We just add all the numbers. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 will be 13. So 13 isn't a divisible of 3, so we won't be dividing it with 3. Okay, now this I know this will be going directly with which number, this will be going with the 5. Okay, 5, it will be going with 5. so I'll be writing 5 over here. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are will be 10, and 5 fives are will be 25. Okay, now again this will be going with 5 again, so 5 twos are will be 10. Okay, and 5 fives are will be 25 again with 5, 5 fives are 5 ones. Okay, this is how we find factors. Now what do you have to do in square root? Any number which is coming twice in the factors, like 5 is coming twice and 5 again is coming twice, you just write it once. Okay, and then multiply it. Okay, so 5 fives will be 25, so what you will be writing, that root of 625 is 25. That's it. Okay, let's do one more sum. This will be a homework for your, this will be a homework. I'll be just doing a greater number. 4096 करते हैं. 4096, first we have to find the factors. We know that it will be going with 2 because last number is a even number. Okay, so 2 twos are 2 zeros are 2 fours are will be 8, and 2 eights are will be 16. Again starting with 2, 2 ones are 2 zeros are 2 twos are 2 fours are. Again last number is a even number going with 2, 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again with 2. Okay, 2 twos are 4. Okay, 2 fives are 10, and 2 six are 12. Again with 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16. 2, that is 64. Again with 2, that will give us 32. 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, so each and every time the 2 is repeating it twice, we will write only once. Okay, so here we can write 4096. Root of 4096 will be this 2 twice, we will be writing it once. This twice, writing it once. This is twice, writing it once. This is twice, writing it once. Again twice, writing it once, and ये twice वापस से writing it once again. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32, 32 twos are will be 64. So root of 4096 is nothing but 64. That means if you multiply 64 twice, you will be getting the answer 4096. Okay, so these two sums I have solved for you all, and second, third, fifth will be your homework. Just try it at your home. If you have any doubt, you can comment me down. Okay, if you have any issue in this chapter, in this all the 3 exercise, you can comment me down. And if you are a new subscriber, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the Smart Box.